So here's the update. I don't have a lot of information. I did drop the car off at the body shop, but they did not have an estimate ready for me yet. He couldn't tell me how long he thinks it would be. So I dropped it off. He took a look at the damage and he was like, "Oh, because it's at the bottom, close to the battery." But it's been a month. I've been charging the battery, discharging, driving it, no problem. So I'm sure there's no issue there. What I was told was that I will get the estimate updated in a couple of days. And so then I will give you guys an update. I just wanted to give you this update that it is dropped off, and that I will be getting an update on the vet price in a few days, which I will make a video update, and also with I guess, a prediction or about how long the repair will take. So we'll find that out hopefully by the end of the week, maybe the weekend. We'll see. I did get a rental car. That was a whole nother issue. But I did finally get one. They picked me up at the body shop, which was great. Brought me to the rental agency. It was just an issue of what kind of car they were trying to give me, a really large SUV, which was not what I was had reserved. I reserved a small car, so they had to find one, but they did, and we're good. So I will post an update in a couple days. Just wanted to give you this quick update. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.